Hi there, this is a Messenger Minute. Today we're going to be working with Inkscape and we're going to learn how to create a path and how to edit a path. So if you saw my first video, your workspace should look something like this. So let's start by creating a simple object. Now here is my simple rectangle, and currently this is not a path. What that means is that I can do some adjustments here, but this will remain an object. It will have certain parameters and we can only work within those parameters. Now the real power of Inkscape comes in the fact that it is a vector editor, and what that means is that each object can be a path. That means like a series of points on a line. So let's start by switching to our select tool, and we'll select our yellow rectangle here. And going to the path menu, we're going to select object to path. Now it appears that nothing has happened, but something really important has actually happened. But we won't see that until we select our edit paths by nodes tool here. So once we click this, what you'll see is gone is the circle over here that controlled my rounded corner and my two resizing handles. Instead, there are individual points at each corner. Now those points move independently, so we can reshape this by moving each point, and we can also grab each line and we can reshape this by bending a line. So this opens up a lot more possibilities for advanced shapes. So we have a couple of ways that we can work on this. We can grab each point and move it. We can grab a line, and you can see that once this line is curved, I've got these new handles here. So I can also control this by grabbing these handles and making more subtle changes to my curve. Okay, one last thing. By double clicking on any point in the line, we can create new handles. And that gives us even more possibility for creating complex shapes. The possibilities are wide open. Thank you. That's been another Messenger Minute.